8. Politecnico di Milano, Italy. Established, 1863. Course name, MSc in Management Engineering, focus on supply chain management. Curriculum. Engineering principles. Supply chain strategies. Logistics management. Operations management. Technology integration. Duration, 2 years. Fee, approximately €3,900 per year. Placement history, strong placement record with graduates working at companies like Ferrari, Pirelli, and other major industrial and engineering firms. Placement value, high employability with starting salaries averaging €45,000 per annum. Application start, October. If this clip got your gears turning, then you're going to love the full video on our channel, 10 minutes for supply chain, links in the description below. Don't miss it. Give this video a big thumbs up, drop a comment to share your thoughts, and don't forget to share it with your team. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon for weekly breakdowns of the global supply chain. Join membership button, become a member for exclusive content, early access, and global logistics insights. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay informed, stay ahead, and always supply smart.